For this video, we're still working in the Maynooth Pottery presentation. We've seen how easy it is to copy and paste existing data from a Word table to a PowerPoint table. So now we're going to look at doing the same thing, but with data from Excel. Make sure you have this Excel document called Sales open, as well as the presentation. The data we're working with is contained on the sheet called Current Sales. Again, it is exactly the same data as the data we already have in PowerPoint, but it also contains a total column and a total row. However, we're only bringing over 5 columns and 5 rows of data. Let's return to PowerPoint, and first we need to create the slide that is going to contain our table. From the Home tab, click on the top half of the New Slide button, which will automatically put in a title and content slide. Click into the heading and type Copied from Excel. Click on the table icon and let's put in 4 columns and 4 rows as before, knowing that the Excel table is actually bigger than that. And click OK. Using the status bar, let's move over to the Excel document. Select from cells A1 to E5, leaving out those totals. Right-click anywhere in the highlight and select Copy. Return to PowerPoint, move the cursor over the top left-hand corner cell, then right-click and select Paste, using the first paste, which will keep this destination style that our presentation is using. There is our table, and note that it added in the extra column and extra row that was required for the data. We still have to do a little bit of formatting, so keeping this table highlighted, let's click on the Home tab, and the font needs to be set to size 18 to match the previous tables. Note that when we copy from Excel, the headings do not come through as being white. So we'll need to go to the Design tab and reapply the original style. Also, let's resize the table, but we won't worry about changing all the alignments. So we can see that if we already have our data typed up, either in a Word table or in Excel, it is very easy to copy and paste that data into PowerPoint.